Welcome to our tutorial Introduction to PowerPoint. I believe you've been enjoying the tutorial so far. If you've not seen other aspects, if you've not seen our previous videos, check out the channel. You'll see the different videos on PowerPoint, right from the introduction, right from the home ribbon. And right now we're still on the insert ribbon. We've even seen how to insert videos and audios, but right now we're going to look at how to record a screen. You used screen record for tutorials like this very one that I've been doing. The tutorial so far you've been watching has been on PowerPoint. I've been recording with PowerPoint also. But for this very one I'm recording right now is not on PowerPoint, because you cannot record on PowerPoint and then still use the screen recording. It's not going to work. So right now let's see how the screen recording works. Whenever you click on the on-screen record, this is what pops up. This, if you don't want to get the audio out, this is where you click, and then if you don't want your pointer to appear on the screen, that is what you click. Now I want to select the areas I want to record. Area selected, record, so I can start the recording right now. 2, 1, boom, my record has started. So as I do the recording, whatever I show, whatever I display, let's just do a brief demonstration. So let me just quickly talk a little bit about extensions. Now you can see that my file name are complete. My file, my extension are available. You can see my tutorial on how to hide and how to unhide your file extension. Now the extension is what enables the computer to know what program that was used in creating it. This is txt. I created a file using Notepad, and by default it gets the txt. So whenever I go to any other computer, if I copy this and go to any other computer, while opening, it just knows that it needs a notepad to be able to open this file. You can still see my video on file extensions to understand better how to hide and unhide and different extensions that are involved and how to use them. Now I'm going to stop my record here. You can see this record has lasted for about 1 minute and 47 seconds. Okay, this is a video, and as usual, you can play around it. I just adjusted it. You can also give it a border, change the format. If you want to also change the brightness and the contrast, you can do that using the corrections. But these are the default brightness and contrast that are available. If you want to adjust them yourself, you click there, and then you have your video format here, where you can also adjust them. If you want it to be a little bit darker, this is what you get. Okay, let's recolor. Let's give it the orange look. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to allow you to play around with the different format it has and see what you get. Like I said, if I wanted it to be on a different slide, I would have created a new slide and then allow it to be dumped there. But since I don't want that, I can just save this video alone by right clicking, save media as. Now I'm going to save this as screen recording. I saved that in document, so I'm going to go to my documents to access screen recording. Where did I save this? Documents, yeah. Okay, screen recording. Now, boom, my record has started. So as I do the recording, whatever I show, whatever I display, let's just do a brief demonstration. This is what's how to record your screen using PowerPoint. If there's anything you don't understand, please make a comment. Please ask a question in your comment box, and then I'll be glad to respond to them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to be able to access more of our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.